Okay, now we have reached to the modern city Bowrd, which we must understand it. It is the most misused place, so we need to properly understand from our structure.
Okay, so this is what we call the modern city Bowrd. It deals with the types of roads and the movements. We are together. Remember, we have two types of roads. We have the two-way and the one-way. We are together. And how we move on these roads. We are together. So, for example, any road that is divided by a yellow line is a two-way. Meaning, we have here workers. You're going, since we keep left in Uganda, you're going, okay, and others are coming. We're together because it is divided by a yellow line. Then we have the one way. All of you are going one direction, meaning it is divided by a white line. That's why you see all these cars, these two cars are going one direction. We are together. Okay? So, a model city Bowrd that has its components. We are together. There is what we call a traffic island. We are together. Then we have road reserves. Okay, what divides the road. We are together. Then we also have types of parking. We have angular parking, and then we have boxy parking. We are together. Okay. Then we also have the two types of crossings. We have the open zebra crossing, and then we have the closed zebra crossings, which have the stop line. We are together. Okay? So those are some of the components of the model city Bowrd. Now I want us to see how we approach the roundabout. This is our roundabout. We are together. Okay? Then we have the roundabout, the traffic roads, and the parkings. We are together. Those are the divisions. We are together. Okay? So we have here 4 lanes. We are together. Okay? Then we have the first industrial. We are together. The first industrial is the lane which is on the side, almost the tunnel. We are together. On the first industrial, you're either going off the roundabout or you are continuing ahead of the roundabout. For example, this car. So before you approach the roundabout, before you reach the roundabout, you should know where you're going. If you're going straight, you will use the second industrial. We're together. But the first industrial is strictly for going off. We're together. And if you change your mind, you can continue up front. But if you are continuing up front, remember you recover from the first lane because you're using the first lane. So if you come from this side and you are using the first lane, okay, you can either go off, okay, or you can use this first lane and join the road on the first lane, or you can proceed and also go off the road using the first lane. We are together. That is for this first one. So here, when you're on this lane, the second lane, it is a must you're strictly going straight. Remember, you're joining from the second lane. So you are on the second lane. When you come on the second lane, we are together. You don't come to the first lane. You join from your second lane. Remember, there is a stop line here. So you first stop. If it is safe, join from the second lane and rotate from the second lane. If you are to go off into the second lane. Or if you are to continue, you continue from the second lane to avoid infringing on other people's use of the. We are together. Then this one, you are either going straight, and remember it is the third lane. So you also wait. Is it safe? It is safe. Remember, you don't have right of way. It's people who are on the roundabout who has right of way. So you wait. If it is safe, you join. This is the third lane. You also join from the third lane, and then you proceed. If you are to exit the roundabout, you exit on the third lane, or if you are to continue, you can exit from this side on the third lane, or you continue and join, go back where you're coming from on the third lane. We are together?
Yeah.
Or alternatively, now if you are on this last one, you're sure you're going to rotate the roundabout. You enter, scan your intersection, enter and join from the fourth lane, and then rotate your roundabout. In most cases, you exit, you're rotating to go back where you are coming from. Or alternatively, you missed. Instead of being this side, you wanted to go this side. Okay? You came this side. You can come this side, come on the fourth, rotate your roundabout. After rotating it, come and exit from this side. We are together.
Yeah.
So those are some of the mistakes that we always do whenever we are approaching the roundabout. The lane we use should be the very lane we exit from, to avoid infringing on other motorists' right of way. We are together. So always make sure you maintain your lane. We are together. In order for you to make sure that other pedestrians, other motorists are also safe. We are together. So that is how you approach a roundabout. No matter where you're coming from, that is for a one-way.
Yeah.
You can even exit, come from the two-way here. Enter. Remember, they are telling you either go this side or you can proceed. But remember, don't just enter the roundabout. Follow the lane that you are on. We are together. And then you proceed. We are together. So if you are to park also, where there is a stop line here, you don't enter from here. Like here. So meaning, you only enter and then park in an angle. We are together. Or you can enter and then go and reverse, park in an angle. We are together. Okay? Or you can go up front and park here. We are together. That is for the what? For the angular parking. So for this one of the box parking, you go, open up in the road, reverse back into your box. We're together, because it is on the main road. Or you can come still, go up to the front, then reverse it back. We're together. So let us look at the types of these two types of zebra crossings. Here it is open zebra crossing. So when you come, scan your intersection while you've reduced your speed. But here there is a stop line. We are together. When you come, you have to first stop. Make sure people have crossed safely, it is safe, then you proceed. But for here, you can just reduce your speed and scan. If no one is there, you can continue. But if people are there, you are forced to stop. We are together. So that is how you use and approach a modern city road. Anything in the green is a road reserve. They are trying to put for you a demarcation where the road is supposed to end. Thank you so
Very
much.
nice. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. We shall meet in the next program also. For today.